All right, what's going on YouTube? So I got an airsoft gun review today. This is a $30 Amazon airsoft gun. So yeah, for 30 bucks I got this gun. I'm gonna put the Amazon link down below. Let me kind of show you the gun real quick. Oh, and this laser does not come with it. I put that on there. But yeah, that's how the gun looks like. It's all plastic, but it's a very nice plastic. It's not really cheap. It doesn't feel cheap. But here's the packaging, just a regular old blister package. In case y'all want to see that, 15 rounds, CO2. It's made by Umarex. But yeah, here's the gun. It's got a safety on it. Safe. Doesn't let you pull the trigger. Well, it lets you pull it, but it doesn't shoot. Fire. Lets you pull the trigger, and the trigger is very stiff. I'm just gonna mention that real quick. The trigger is very, very stiff. Not to the point where, it's unusable, but, it's just not very comfortable. Magazine release, just a regular old magazine release. By the way, none of the safety or the magazine release is ambidextrous. So yeah, it's just one side. Yeah, 15 shots of 6mm BBs. This is an airsoft gun, not a BB gun. So you got a whole 15. Can pull that down, stays by itself. Just release it by just pressing it in. But yeah, that's the quick little glance at the gun. I'm gonna show the accuracy right now. I'm gonna set up a box and show you guys the accuracy of it. But yeah, stay tuned. All right, YouTube. So before I start the accuracy part, let me just kind of show you guys how you put the CO2 in the gun. So if you look there, it says open. You literally just flip this up. Grab your 12-gram CO2. You want to add some of this on it too. It's just kind of like an oil that I guess protects your gun or something. I don't know how well you can see that. Just like a tiny, tiny drop. That's pretty much all it needs. Once you got the drop on there, stick it in like that. This end going up. When you tighten this thing down, you want to make sure it's like, I want to make sure this CO2, you're pressing it in. Here, let me show you. You're like pressing in the CO2 and turning it at the same time. There you go. So once you've done that, you're good. Yeah, you're good. You don't rack it or nothing. It's just you just load it up and you start shooting. So yeah, let me show you guys what I'm gonna be shooting right now. All right, so I got the target right here. This is the ammo I'm gonna be shooting. 20 grams. I'm not sure if it makes a difference, but got it loaded up. Oh, by the way, let me show you the sights. It's just the white dot, but I'm not gonna be using the sights. I'm gonna be using the laser. So let me take a step back. All right. Alright, YouTube, so here I got the target. All 15 shots hit it. Yeah, all 15 shots hit it. They went a little high. I was aiming like right here. They went just a little high. But I mean, I can just adjust the laser a little higher for that if I really wanted to. But I mean, it's okay like that. But let me go outside now. Let me shoot some targets with it and show you guys kind of like what kind of damage it has. But yeah, let me go outside and show you guys that part. Alright, so there are my targets. Just six cups filled with water. And I got 15 shots loaded up in the magazine. Alright, got it in the gun now. So let me show you guys kind of what kind of damage this thing got. Alright, so first one just went straight through it. What the heck? Is it out already? No, it wasn't out. It was just, I don't know, it was acting weird. Alright, that was weird. Same magazine? Yeah, that's one thing to consider about this gun. It does act a little funky. I don't know. But let me keep on going. Alright, this time it's out. Alright, so I got another 15 shots in here. Let me just finish these off. What the? That's weird. So I don't know. It doesn't shoot BB sometimes. It's out again. Alright, so I found out what was causing the jams. If you can see right there, like right in there, there's a little bit of metal sticking up, and if you just grab a file and smoothen that down right there, it should work perfectly fine. Just grab yourself a file. There should be on your magazine. There might not be, but on mine there was a bit of metal right there. Just grab yourself a file like this, or you know, whatever works. Just don't go too crazy on it. Add some, do some filing. Add some of this stuff, just a little bit of it, and you should be good. Once you do that, you should have no more jams. Here, let me show you. Alright, so here's the magazine. Alright. As you can see, I'm not gonna shoot all of it, but as you can see, it's working perfectly fine now as to what it was doing a little earlier. So yeah, there's a quick little fix for that. Let me continue the video. Alright, my little brother's about to shoot this cup right here. I don't know if he can hit it or not. Oh, there you go. Alright, YouTube, so I'm gonna let my little brother shoot me with it. Y'all better hit like or something, cause this shit about to hurt, bro. Oh, yes, bro. And then he's next with his.
Nah, no, I'm not.
Alright, nah, but I'm gonna let my little brother shoot me. Yeah, it's still I guess kind of fresh CO2, but yeah, I'm gonna set up the camera and let him shoot me. But yeah, make sure y'all hit that like button.
Alright, bro. I'm about
I'll
to.
be standing like over there, right?
Where? Alright. I'm about to shoot him, bro. Is he on safety? Alright. What? Alright, you ready, bro? Roll it. What?
All right, we gotta switch. We had to switch the location because the neighbor was over there, but I'm gonna be standing over there by those chairs. So yeah, same thing. I'm gonna just let my little brother shoot me in the back. One second.
Y'all ready for this, bro? He's about to get his chill, bro. Y'all can't see the sights, but I can see him. You ready? I hit him, bro.
All right, so now I'm about to mag dump the gun. Show you guys how fast it shoots. So it leaves little dents. For an airsoft gun, that's pretty strong, I guess. And there's just a little down the back. Alright, so I got a water bottle over there. It's like right there. Or not a water bottle, but a water container, something. There you go. This gun's pretty accurate. Alright, YouTube, so I'm gonna wrap up the video now. For $30, this Amazon airsoft gun is really nice. It feels nice. It doesn't feel like a cheap plastic. Magazine's metal. Yeah, the magazine's made out of metal. It comes with one magazine. But yeah, it's a pretty decent gun, except for those times when it was not shooting the BBs. I think it was just because I didn't load it right or something. But yeah, $30 Amazon gun. I'd say this thing is a 5-star. But let me let you guys have one last look at it. Non-blowback, you know, it's just kind of load it and shoot it basically. But yeah, that's gonna wrap up the video. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure you subscribe and let me know what else you guys want to see. But yeah, I'm gonna be making another video soon, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be another Amazon gun. So yeah, make sure you guys watch that video. If you like this one, you know, just watch the next one. It's gonna be pretty much better, hopefully. So yeah, thanks for watching.